This is my friend Ina. And I don't know what I'm going to do next week when I don't have hugs. What will I do?
You can...
What will I do?
I don't know.
You'll have to come back and give me hugs. So this is the 10th year of summer day camp in the Wally area. We started off at St. Helens 10 years ago, and then 6 years ago moved here because we needed more space. And we open the doors each summer to youngsters in the community whose families aren't able to manage to send them to a bunch of activities. And for a lot of the children who are involved in school lunch programs, it's difficult for moms and dads in the summer. So the children have breakfast and lunch here, and through the goodness of people in the community and the Surrey Food Bank and Canadian Superstore, we're able to manage to offer people lots of wonderful food and terrific activities.